Hey guys, welcome back. So I just came quickly on the charts because I saw something I can exploit. I saw this continuous move to the upside all throughout this session, and this is the first time we have dropped aggressively down to this 200 EMA. So I'm trading the logic of them possibly holding this 200 EMA and maybe going up to these imbalances up here that I left out. So that will be the logic for the trade. I'm placing trades on the DOMs, as you guys know, Jigsaw Day Trader. You guys have the code in the description. So yeah guys, let's do some live trading. I'm gonna use the ES to determine if I'm gonna go long or short on the Nasdaq. So I can see there is a lot of bids and offers stacked. We can see if it's above 1k bids and offers stacked, it usually means there is something going on, you know. Not every day do you see that amount of bids and offers, but we can see there is more bids, which is really good. So we're gonna try and trade, take quick scalps on the Nasdaq. Just a few ticks, not that much. I'm not really looking for any big moves. You can see it's aggressive moving down. I can see 119 right here on the sell side. And price dropped. We can see 112 on the sell side as well. Let's see if they can hold. I can see buys matching the sells again, or as well. 111 on the buy side. But you saw that 150 on the offer, selling into the buy. 129. Dropping, pulling from the bids. The bids are still strong. Actually, not as much. It has broken this previous low. So I could place a quick long. I could place a quick long here. Oh, I missed the move. I've missed the move by one tick. Oh my god. That's so unfortunate. I mean, it happens, of course, but that would have netted me around $200 profit. Ah, that hurts. Damn. Wow. I actually couldn't place the trade because something happened here on the DOM and I missed the move. It's okay. Damn. It's okay. Next trade. Focus. Come on. Now we've come back to the same place where we moved up. Sorry. Where we moved up, so I'm gonna assume maybe we can move up again. Let's see. Coming down, not as aggressively. Selling, but I can see bits holding. Maybe we can take a quick short, or sorry, quick long. Can we see the push up again? That fast push up. 16 on the bids. 147 on the sell side, but we can't see it dropping down, which is good. $12, 16. I can see some buying. Can we see a push up? Come on. I need to get out because I didn't really see that push up. You saw that 18 on the buy side, but it didn't really push up, and you can see there is no selling or there's no buying on the ES, but then it makes the move up. But we don't care what it does afterwards, you know. We just act on what we see now, and we see that they wouldn't really go up at that point or at that moment, so I'm gonna get out of the trade. Simple as. So we can see the point of control has changed. This was the previous one, and this is the point of control right now. We're gonna mark off previous point of control. You can see how much contracts are transacted at those points of controls, because it's the most amount of contracts traded for this session. We can see there is not that many. There is not a volume profile or volume profile high. You can only see volume profile and the lows. You can see here, but not the highs, which means they deemed it expensive up here, and they brought it down quickly. So you can see that moved up did happen, but then they dropped it down aggressively again. You can see the same thing happened here. Again, you see, it drops down. Maybe we could have exploited that, but it's okay. 58.20, not seeing any buys or sells. I can see some bits holding, which is really good. It could push price up. But what I need to see is them breaking this 13 EMA. Break this line to then go to the upside, recover these imbalances. But if they can't do that, Then I'm gonna look for some shorts. Trying to move up. If they break this 39, 40, we should look for some longs. That's a quick push down, but then it quickly pushes up again as well. 227 on the buy side. That's a lot of buying. That's really good. That's a lot of buying. 238 on the buy side. This could mean a move up. So I'm gonna probably maybe I wanna get in sooner, but I'm very cautious because they can easily drop down again. But that's a lot of buying. Let's see. See, that's why. That's exactly why I was being cautious. Because I can see rise, drop, rise, drop, rise, drop. You know, and then that 240 buy didn't really give me conviction that they were gonna go up. If it moved like 5 to 6 ticks up very fast, then yeah, I would go long. But now, not really. 100 on the buy side. Let's mark that off. Potential support. There's the move up. Can they break this 40 zone? I'm gonna place a limit buy. We got filled. There we go. That's a fast move up. Really nice trade. Let's see. Or a really nice entry. 104 on the buy side. That's a nice amount of buys. Can we sustain this move to the upside? Come on. There we go. 239 on the buy side again. Nice. 249. Seeing a lot of contracts transacted right now. That's a lot of sells as well. Need to be very careful. That's a fast move up again. Nice. Going into this value area high. Kind of rejecting it to the downside. There's the move to the downside again. Gotta be very careful here. Pulling from the bids right here. There's the move to the downside. I probably should have taken that profit right there. I probably should have taken that profit. 128. There's the move. Come on. 120. Did you see that 128 came in? And then it pushed up on the Nasdaq because they're positively correlated. Come on. Can I see that move up? Come on. If not, I'm gonna get out. Depends how they close the trade. How they close the candle. I saw it briefly here, pulling from the offers. Add those bids. Come on, don't pull from the bids. I need to see some adding. But I can't see any sells, which is really good. There is no selling on the ES, which is gonna push price up. There we go, 26, 47 buys, 36, 48. Come on, move up. They're transacting again. You can see it's all happening at the point of control. 118 on the buy side, mark that off. 118 on the buy side. There's the move. Come on, can they push? Come on, can they break this 45? They break this zone, they're going up. See, again, very sharp move down. But then it quickly goes up as well. There it is. Come on, push up. Pull it from the offers, good, 55. No one's really selling. Bids coming in, holding. Come on, give me that move up. Come on. Bids holding again. Fast push up, come on. Don't go down, come on. I need to get out. I need to protect my profits. There's the move down. Yeah, that's a good exit. Even if they go up from here, I'm happy with the trade because if I'm not seeing something that I like, or if I'm not seeing something that should mean a trade goes in my favor, I'm gonna get out. No reason for me to stay and pray. So I got out. I'm very impulsive, you know. I need to see something going in my favor very quickly or at that point. If not, I'm getting out. And I saw no buying here. I saw them rejecting the zone once. They reject again. If they move up, happy days, you know. Can't really do anything about it. Focus on a new trade. We can see 152 on the sell side at this point of control. So someone is selling from the point of control, which is kind of bearish. But I can see pulling here from the offer. Getting very choppy. I hate this price action. This is very choppy, very bad. Very bad price action. We can see on the delta there is more selling than buying. Yeah, you have some 225 on the buy side here more than sells, but mostly it sells. And it's all around the point of control. It's gonna give me the clue that move to the downside might not be over. They might push down again. You know, adding confluence to confluence. There's the move down, yeah. 85, 82, 66, 88. Selling, selling, selling. You can see these 119 and 112 are getting engaged again. Those people are selling again. Those bids trying to hold until they can't. I'm gonna try to momentum trade. Let's see. There's the move, nice. Then it quickly pushes up. Need to be very careful. I'm gonna take the profits. Nice. 137, 101. There's the move up. Yeah, I saw those sells being absorbed. You know, and second of all, we are trading Nasdaq. You know, so we know how quickly it can move up and down. Maybe we can take some longs on the ES, since those sells were absorbed very, very nicely. Maybe I can go long. Let's see. Oh, kind of missing the move. Kind of missed the move. It's okay. Drops down again. Let's see, we're gonna get filled. Our exit or our stop will be below this zone where they absorb those cells. Let's see if they can move up. Seeing some buying, good. 86, 50. Pulling from the offers, nice. Come on, need to see that push up. Come on, go up. Nasdaq's trying to move up as well. Come on, give me that fast push up. Come on. Bids are trying to hold, nice. There's the move. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. So I'm around, I think, $200 profit. I mean, I'm happy with that, considering how bad this price action is. We did want to see these highs, but we didn't really get it. If we saw like 2-3 quick candles, I would have held, but yeah, it's moving pretty fast now. So I think I'm gonna call it now, since it's moving pretty fast. So yeah, guys, that's the end of another live trading video. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna do some more live trading videos where I'm gonna trade ES and Nasdaq at the same time. See you guys.